good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. We are almost at 4K. We are on the way to 4K subscribers. So I just want to say thank y'all so much for the support. You know, I got my Kaspa playlist right here on the front page. If you want to go back and rewatch those Kaspa videos, just went live with you guys. And I really gotta say thank y'all so much for the support you're giving to the channel. It really means a lot. If you're new here, you already been supporting, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, become a channel member, or just tune into the live stream. Share the channel with your friends. You know, when you're sharing Kaspa with your friends and family, share the channel so they could tune in and check out the videos, man. But yeah, Kaspa holding up very well. You know, we had a little bit of a retrace, but just a little cool off for, you know, more moves to the upside in the future, man. Just a bit of a, you know, adding a little bit of fuel to the tank before we start absolutely crushing it once again. So right now we're sitting at $483 million in market cap, $12.6 million in 24-hour trade volume. Insane numbers, by the way. Like, that is crazy. We're sitting at that 2.5 cent range. I don't know if we're gonna fall any lower from here. People are looking for that 2 cent to 1.9 range to start getting into the project. I would say now is the time to start DCing into the project. Get a bit of exposure on the red days, guys, and then, you know, when it's green days, boom, you're in profit. Always buy the red days. That's the easiest way to make money in crypto. There's huge news that's been released for Kaspa as well, which is absolutely amazing. We're gonna get into that, but I just want to point out we're always trending on CoinMarketCap. Every time I pull up CoinMarketCap, Kaspa is trending. Caspians, y'all are making a ton of noise, and CZ's, I'm sure CZ has taken notice, man. Every time I'm on CMC, I see Kaspa in the trending projects, guys. The numbers should be updated to like the top 80 because of our market cap. Eventually it will be, once, you know, you guys as the Kaspa community continue to make noise, man. Let's also take a look at some of the community replies. People keep shilling other projects. Stop shilling other projects under Kas, man. What is this, man? Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can find any good stuff here. Not right now. There's too much people spamming other things under the Kaspa community tab for CMC, but that's beside the point, man. Again, anytime like this, you guys gotta think about it. Anytime someone pulls up CoinMarketCap, they try to search for something, they try to search for a project, they're gonna see Kaspa right here. Right here, they're gonna see Kaspa, man. That is absolutely crazy to think about, man. And that volume, man, where's that volume coming from? KuCoin, Gate.io, Mexi Global. Jeez, man, 3 million in volume on Mexi, man. 1 mil in on KuCoin, 1.3 on Gate.io. You know, TXBit got 5.4 million in volume. Jeez, goodness me. This project is such a monster and a beast, man. People are gonna fade and just regret it, man. They really will. Not to get into the huge news, we covered it on the live stream, like just a teaser because it wasn't live as yet. But the Kaspa team tweeted out groundbreaking 10 BPS blocks per second will be live on public on the Kas testnet, right? Stress testing blockchain and transaction rates, setting new records for crypto. More on how to participate soon. Witness the milestone live on twitch.tv/Kaspa Currency, right? This is a huge amount, huge update for speed for Kaspa, man. I've used the network when it was just 1 BPS, or I think it's 1 BPS, and now they're up to 10. So that's gonna be lightning fast. And what has happened is the 10 BPS report. For the first time ever, a pure proof of work protocol has been carrying thousands of transactions per second across dozens, maybe hundreds of network nodes in a permissionless network running on affordable hardware. From Shy, this is one of the community devs for Kas. The Kas 10 BPS testnet has been running smoothly for over 2 hours now. Even though we don't stress load a transaction yet, some naughty participant decided to generate some anyway, whereby we already witnessing more than 2,000 TPS. For the first time ever, a pure proof of work protocol has been carrying thousands of transactions. This is history in the making, and we are just getting started. Look at this, man. You know, all the developers out there, see the lines of code for you, man, right here. And then on the Twitch, you could see the testnet, you know, running on Twitch. That, you know, this is the Kaspa Twitch, man. You can see the testnet that is running right now, guys. Kaspa Rusty node. So they have integrated Rust into Kaspa, and this is huge, guys. If it's already this fast, imagine when this goes to mainnet, because this is just testnet, right? Imagine when this goes to mainnet. It's great to see that the testnet is working and has been up for so long. That's insane. This is insane stuff, guys. This is huge news for Kaspa. Like, I know I titled my videos, this is huge. This is actually huge, man. I'm telling you. From Shy once again. So naturally, a lot of folks ask me when 10 BPS mainnet. The short answer is I believe at least 6 months. Okay, 6 months time frame is great, because that's getting closer and closer to the bull cycle. Here is roughly how it will probably go down. The 10 BPS client is running on a special testnet called testnet 11. This testnet is a playing field where we try things out and see how they work. This is opposed to testnet 10, which always runs either the same protocol as mainnet or hard fork candidate. There's still some loose ends we need to tie up before the 10 BPS client could be candidate. All sorts of minor but crucial issues we need to resolve. We will also want to experiment with different block sizes and see how the network adjusts. Once we have candidate for a hard fork, we will stress test it for at least a few weeks on testnet 11 to closely monitor how stable it is over long periods of time. We will also test how it responds to extreme environment conditions such as changing network conditions, extreme hash rate spikes, dips, very high transaction loads, etc. After this is done and there's a candidate, it will be moved to testnet 10 for at least a few more weeks. This has mainly two reasons. One, testnet 10 is much larger, and two, it will provide time for the ecosphere, exchanges, explorers, wallets, pools, etc. to prepare and adjust. In particular, we will not schedule a hard fork before giving a green light from the main constituents of the ecosphere. That is very smart, making sure the exchanges and all these people know what's up, because people might try to be sending their Kaspa and be like, why is it not working, right? Sending their Kaspa back and forth, you know, and they're stuck, right? So that's a smart move right there. Even after we decide to hard fork is due, it will be scheduled into the future. The new client would operate according to the old rules up to a point and then switch to the new rules. This switch is highly tricky and should be tested several times on testnet 10 before it is applied to the mainnet. Such changes should be done very carefully to minimize risk that something important breaks after the fork. Take your time. 6 months, perfect timing, man. We have the working testnet, and that's bullish, man. Like, these are community developers, guys. These are community developers. There's so many projects that have legitimate teams with, you know, tons of money, and taking forever to upgrade their protocols, man. Like, oh my gosh, man, this space needs to get washed down, you know, with some soap, man. It got so much bad actors and dirt in this space. But look at this, a community run project, community layer 1 proof of work DAG project with community developers pretty much out-deving people, you know, people in the space who've been in the space for a while with actual like funds to do so. Crazy stuff. This requires testing, dry runs, and coordination of several teams. We are very deep into uncharted territory, so patience is key. Festina lente. Nice stuff, man. Mucho bueno. Kas community is throwing a rave right now. 10 BPS on testnet, 6 months before mainnet. Keep tackling Kas. Yeah, let's throw this rave, man. Let's turn up, man. Let's live stream. We're gonna have a party for the 10 BPS testnet, guys. We're gonna have a party, man. From Glitch, I haven't seen any project in crypto market that its team explained the details, transparency to investors except Kas developers. Being transparent and reply to all questions is very critical in both good and bad ways. it might destroy or rise the project to the moon. Respect. And he's just super clear. 6 months. And this is a community developer. Like, these aren't actual this isn't the actual Kaspa team. It's just developers that have the code and, you know, see the potential of the project and want to build on it, man. So shout outs to them, man. Really. Moonshot Josh, so it begins. The fact that from Michael Sutton, the fact that public node I'm running has more than 40 incoming connections 2 hours after launch is astonishing for me and demonstrates the technical strength of the Kas community. Testnet 11 is now using maximal block mass capacity and approaching 3K transactions per second over 10 BPS. So how much will 32 BPS be, man? If 3K is 10, will it be like 20K for 32 BPS? I know it's, you know, my math would be like 9K TPS, my bad. 9K transactions per second for 32 blocks per second, right? But who knows, man? They might be able to crank it up to 20K, 50K transactions per second, right? You just never know, man. Oh, we also got a nice thread from Genesis BTC. I'm gonna check that out in the next video, guys. The video has gone on for a bit, guys, so I'm gonna check that out in the next video. Make sure you guys tune in for the next Kaspa video that I release. But yeah, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Kaspa absolutely on a tier. 10 BPS is live. Let's freaking go. Let's go. 10 BPS testnet is live. 10 BPS mainnet, 6 months. Let's go. Guys, let's do it. Let's go, man. Kas gonna absolutely crush it. $1 to $3 for Kaspa incoming. And I gotta let y'all know that is highly possible with this technology, man. Caspians, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video out, share with your friends and family, make this go viral, blow it up, guys. I'm telling you, let more and more people know about the project and the videos, man. Also, to support the channel, please become a Patreon member. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier. Get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. Let's make some plays, get those plays flipped, you know, get a 2x, 3x, 4x on some projects to buy more Kas, man. You know how it goes, guys. It's the Hunger Games for Kas, man. Shout out to Crypto Sniper, Dave, Diverse, you know, Jay Gaines, all the people that, you know, tune into the live stream. Thank y'all so much for the support. I'll catch y'all in the next